How's it going, everybody? Dr. Derek here with some more velocity-based training videos. As you can see, the minimum velocity I set for these squats was about 0.7 meters per second. That puts it around a 75% intensity in general. And I'm trying to move 225 as fast as I can, and here you see the velocities significantly above 0.7 meters per second, so I added some weight. Still trying to put as much force into the bar as possible, but with 275 on the bar, the velocity slowed down, but that's what gives me the idea of being exactly at the intensity that I want to be. My maximum effort combined with the velocity that I picked and all the results being just above 0.7 meters per second. So 0.45 meters per second was the goal for the deadlifts here. And with sumo deadlifts off the floor, they actually hurt my hip a little bit. And I'm pretty cautious on the first rep, and you can see the velocity is super low on that. The next rep, it gets up above the threshold that I'm looking for, though, and I start to get more in the groove. That initial pull off the floor, I'm just so nervous about my hip hurting that it inhibits me from pulling as hard as I can. And you can see the velocities seem to just get higher and higher as I keep going along. And here are the speeds on that. The first one's super slow, and they really just start climbing in velocity as I get more comfortable with being able to pull and trying to generate force that way. Same thing on this set. That first rep is just really tough mentally, and it's hard to really just pull 100% right off the floor. But I'm wedging into position by arching my back, not just lowering my hips, but I'm actively putting tension in the bar, pulling upward just a little bit, and arching my back to get down into position so it loads the hamstrings and glutes to be powerful off the floor. And as you can see, I did an extra rep here, but the velocities were consistent above my goal. And I'm adding in some shrugs to the end of this workout just for fun, just 5 reps. And it definitely helps in jiu-jitsu to have as little bit of a neck as you can. The less neck there is, the harder you are to choke. Take care, stay strong.